Have you ever wondered what size a design is going to stitch out, but you don't want to waste fabric? So I have a small little project I need to work on today. I need to stitch our Sewing Mastery logo on some shirts, and I want to have kind of a template to use. So what I'm going to be using is 2 layers of cutaway stabilizer, and I thought it'd be a good idea for you to see how I set it up and what the result is and how easy it is to then be able to position this on a shirt later and have an idea of what size the design is. So I am logged into the My Sew Net, and so with that I have access to all the designs that I have saved on the cloud. So no matter what machine I open up and log in, I can always have the designs I need the most. So I'm going into my Sewing Mastery folder that I created, and I've got my logo made. Now this is a logo that you can actually make with the Quick Font software. That is a free software you can download from the Pfaff website. It's under the complimentary software area. Use a font that is available in your computer and then be able to connect everything together and then be able to let the computer digitize fonts. So the fonts that are built into this machine, we're working with the Pfaff Creative Icon. They're not just those fonts that you can use. You can use any of the internet fonts that you can find. It's pretty cool. So first off, I do know that it fits in my 120 by 120 hoop. So I'm going to go ahead and tell the machine that will be the hoop I'll be using today. And really, I just need to stitch it out in the center. I am going to show you how to put a basting box around it. So it is something I'll be using when I do my shirts anyway. So it's a nice little option. Everything looks good here at this screen. So I'm all set up to stitch out the first color. So let's just go ahead, put the hooped cutaway stabilizer, and there's 2 layers on there. So to set up for the basting, I could have done it on the screen before, but since I didn't remember I was talking, you can always go to the color block area and touch the first icon, which is the basting options. Here we want to baste around the design, but my other choice is also to baste around the hoop. So hoop all the way around the perimeter, design just this long skinny rectangle. You'll see it kind of show as a dotted line on the screen. It'll do that first, and then we'll be able to start with our first color. Now I can cut that out around that outside basting box and be able to see and position my future logos at any place I want on a garment, on a project, and know exactly what size I'm working with.